Hey, if you want to charge a second smartphone by using your Samsung S24 FE, you've got two methods. The first one, go into the settings, go into battery, and right now you have to go into, wait a minute, we have to go back from this one. We have to go into the wireless power sharing, and you will have to turn it on. Now, you will have to put the second phone on the back of your S24 FE. If it is not working, then you will have to sometimes put it a little bit higher or lower. As you can see right now, it starts charging. And the second method is also quite simple. You will have to just use the cable. So the double USB-C cable you will have to plug right here and also into this second phone, into the USB port. And now it will start charging the second device. Take a look. So as you can see, that's how it works, and thanks for watching.